Welcome. As experts in bamboo, thatch, and tropical decor, we've put together a series of informational videos we hope will be useful in selecting the right product for successfully completing any project. In this video, we will show you how to install our rolled bamboo fencing. Bamboo fencing is a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to wood, plastic, or wire fencing. Not to mention it looks amazing. We offer these high-quality fence panels in multiple colors, diameters, and heights. Here's a list of suggested tools needed for this project. Power drill for pre-drilled holes, clippers if needed to cut galvanized coated wire, drywall or coated deck screws or zip locks to secure the fence in position. Our bamboo fences measure 8 feet in length. To cut the length, clip the galvanized wire first. Then, remove the necessary poles to the desired size. Then bend the wire back in place. Each fence is capped at a growth node to prevent water from damaging the interior of the poles. These capped ends are to be installed facing up. To attach bamboo fencing properly on an existing wooden structure, pre-drill the bamboo every 4 to 6 inches and then, using deck screws, align screws to pre-drilled holes and tighten accordingly. To install bamboo fencing on wood framing, align each fence on the corner of the structure and then attach the fence using deck screws on pre-drilled fencing at designated spots. Installing bamboo fencing on a chain link fence is even easier. Start by unrolling your bamboo fence along the side of the chain link fence. We recommend that you use treated 2x4s at the base of your bamboo fence if it is installed on soil. Once aligned, begin zip tying the bamboo fence onto the chain link fence. We recommend that you attach zip ties around the galvanized wire and not the actual bamboo pole. Then, trim off the excess from the zip tie. Continue to use zip ties until the fence is secured. Finally, let's quickly review how to attach your bamboo fence to a cinder block or concrete wall. In this case, you will need something on which the bamboo fence can be attached. We recommend that you use a standard 1x3 or 2x4 pieces of wood. Attach them horizontally top and bottom of the wall using concrete fasteners. Once the 2x4s are in place, you can then follow our previous instructions to attach the fence to the 2x4s using standard or colored deck screws in pre-drilled holes every 12 inches, top and bottom. For outdoor fence installations, we always recommend applying a protectant or sealant. A good sealant will prevent premature color fading and will extend the life of your bamboo. When treated and maintained properly, bamboo fences will last for years to come. We hope you enjoyed this brief installation video. Look for our other valuable video segments covering a wide range of products and applications. And good luck with your project!